Hey everyone, what's cooking? It's Travis here with Coyote Moon Web Design Studio, and I want to talk to you today about different ways that you can showcase your products on different pages of your website. So clearly, you're an e-commerce seller, you've got a products page, but you also might want to showcase a few of those products on your homepage. So let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new section. I've already established a products page. So for this, there is another tutorial, but creating your products page is the baseline, and that is step one. And once you've added all your products, added images, added variants, added descriptions, pricing, all that good stuff, then you can display them using what we are calling layout sections. So I'm going to show you that. And the other way that you can display products in multiple different areas on your site is using a summary block or a product block, and I can showcase that as well. So the first things first is I want to display, let's say 3 products in a row on a section here below my blog. So I'm going to click Add Section. And I'm going to reduce the size of my screen here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's figure out where that is. Okay, so as you can see here, I've selected a section layout based on the pre-made ones from Squarespace. And what I want to do now after I've selected this layout section is click into Edit Content. And this is where I'm able to add different elements, right? So if I go into Content and I type in, for the example of this website, my signature secret sauce. And in the description, I'm going to put the price. See it again in real time. Super cool. The button text, I'm going to put shop the sauce. Awesome. And we can actually just take, for the purpose of this page, we can take folks to the shop page. And okay. Now we might want to also change the image here. To do that, we can click Replace, Upload File. Oops, you can upload file directly from your computer, or you can select from your library. In this case, let's just go ahead and select this bad boy. Okay. Now in the design section, I'm going to select carousel. So I think it looks a little cooler. And we've got 3 columns. You can change the column and also the alignment. So if you want it left, center, or right. Infinite scroll. I don't really want to show adjacent slides because I just want those 3 to be nice front and center. We click into style. We can set some more parameters: the image title size, the image description size, the item button. Maybe you want the item button a little bit bigger. Set that there. You can set it as a card. Other options include arrows for the navigation, center or bottom, and the navigation offset. Okay. So there's the style. So the size and space. Let's go into the size and space section. And under the size and space, we've got, I'm going to go ahead and set this as inset. And I'm going to select the media width as 90%, just so we give a little bit of a buffer off the edge of that screen. It looks a little bit better. Media placement we're going to put in the center. Okay, and space between the elements we're going to set as small. Vertical padding, you can adjust that, and that's the height here on top and bottom. So currently the vertical padding is set as medium, but let's go ahead and customize that to 2 and 7. Positions top. Awesome, look at that. So now, since we've already created our products page, we're able to dynamically show these products in multiple different areas of our website. Any page on Squarespace other than, I believe, a blog page, you're able to add a list section and pull in those products from your products page. Further style edits include the ability to set the colors. Just find your color scheme, lightest one, click in, hover over, and the list section carousel allows you to manipulate a bunch of good stuff. Since we have the background set, that's what we can do. Since we have the background set as white, that's why. So if we change this from white, and let's just make sure that it is in line with the rest of our website. Look at that, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how much time this saves you. And then you can also save that, right? I just hearted and saved that section, and now anywhere else on my website, on any page, I can pop that sucker in. How cool is that, you guys? So this is for e-commerce sellers. Again, I'm Travis. If this was insightful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I run a Squarespace web design studio called Coyote Moon, and I do custom web design for e-commerce sellers. And I would love to chat with you more about any questions you might have about the capabilities of Squarespace to run your e-commerce store. Thanks so much.